Hey everybody, this video will be explaining the breakdown of a mentoring session for mentors and Leaders United for Change in Round Rock. So if you're a mentor, we do ask that you arrive to the mentoring session 15 minutes before the start, using your full first and last name and with your camera on. When you go into the session, the host should be sharing their screen with the QR code that you can sign for the attendance form, that you can scan to sign the attendance form, or you can ask them to send the link in the chat. And when you're finished, you can just let the host know and they'll assign you to a breakout room. Then you can wait in the breakout room until a supervisor comes in and gives you recording permission to start recording. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your supervisor at that time. Then your students should be coming in around that time, but if they don't come in within the first 15 minutes of the mentoring session, feel free to go back to the main room to be paired up with another student. So during your session, when your student joins, introduce yourself, tell them your name, your grade, etc., and then ask the students to introduce themselves. If the student has questions prepared, you can ask them to share their screen with the questions, and you can both annotate the screen on Zoom and work out the problems together. If the student has questions prepared but can't share their screen for some reason, you can share a whiteboard and then work on the problems that way. But if the student just does not have any questions prepared for that session, you can ask them what topics they would like to practice and form your own practice problems for the student to try. You can also get some practice problems from Khan Academy or from IXL. And during the session, we do ask for the mentors to take a screenshot of a problem you worked on together with the student, including your face and the student's face. And then you can send that to the LUC and Round Rock email. So throughout the session, your supervisor will join your breakout room from time to time to ensure that the meeting is running smoothly and answer any questions you may have. If you need help during the session and your supervisor is not there at that time, you can click the Ask for Help button in Zoom and somebody will come in to answer your questions or solve your problems. If there are any tech issues, as if you or your student get disconnected, feel free to rejoin the Zoom meeting and the host will just let you back in. So at the end of the session, when you have finished all the topics that the student wants to go over, or it's already the time to be closing up, you and your student can go back to the main meeting for the host to dismiss you. And very important, please do not forget that after the session, make sure to send your recording of the meeting and that screenshot to lucroundrocktexas@gmail.com. And just as a reminder, please read over the mentor manual and the mentor rules to be prepared for the mentoring sessions. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us through email, Instagram, or WhatsApp. Thank you very much for listening.